we made it to the bay where the light show is actually going on right behind me. Can you see that? This is just nuts. It looks beautiful. It's also like Chinese New Year's Eve is tomorrow. Now this is just insane. There's like a concert going on, a carnival going on. Chinese New Year is a cool but interesting time to be in Singapore. So we made it to the lionfish thingy. Whoa. There's so many people taking pictures.
I'm in the middle of that picture. I'm just
perfectly in the middle of that picture. There's so many people down here taking pictures of this freaking statue, and I don't even know what it's called. But look at this thing. Look at this, we're like not even a block away yet, and there's like no one. There's only a couple people around. It just goes to show you, everyone's there. So we're gonna go this way because this way equals cheaper bars, I guess? I don't know. Less tourists? I don't know. So we're connected to Wi-Fi to see. Well, I guess I'm not vlogging right here. Because this.
Use promo code PLOT28 for a great start to the year of the FWD.
Oh yeah, it's Year of the Dog. Just in case you didn't know.
New Year with Sony Broadband TV. Receive
I would probably know.
Yeah, now we're off to the Armory. Because that sounds like a fun place to drink. Alright, so we got here to the Armory, have a couple drinks, get some food a little bit. I think we're going to call it a night at that. This is actually Chinese New Year, but you couldn't tell from what we think of as New Year's compared to here. So, yeah, I'm going to call it here, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.